Okay, if you want to move your clips, you have two options. You can drag around and grab your clips and move them manually with your mouse. Or a really quick way is to select your clip and use Option arrow up or Option arrow down to move your clip. And this will be in the keyboard customization. Type in move and you will see that right here. If you do not see that right here, then just recreate it. Simply select the blank area if this is blank and hold down Option up arrow or Option down arrow and it will create your keyboard shortcut in the edit. Again, select your clips, Option arrow, and that's the easiest way to move stuff quickly.